Hey guys, what's up? I got some new parts for the Jeep. My dad went to a swap meet and found me a new windshield and everything, which I needed because mine is crazy rusty. Look how crazy the rust is on this guy. And it goes all the way around. We tried to silicone this at one time because it was just literally a hole. I mean, it's really bad. Oh, and I got a hard top. I'm gonna get rid of the soft top. I don't like soft tops. Most of the time I ride with the top off anyway on the Jeep, but in Florida you never know when it's gonna rain. So having the hard top and it not leaking like my soft top does would be great. Came with everything, including a windshield wiper, which I don't even know if I can hook up to mine. Now we just have to figure out how to put the hard top on. I have to take all the soft top assembly pieces off of the Jeep and figure out how to attach it to the front windshield. So I figured out how to mount the hard top onto the Jeep. Super easy. I just had to take off all the trim like this that went around. And then it was just a star pattern bolt. Didn't take very long at all. All of them came off pretty nice actually. And then there's 8 bolts like this one here. You can't really see it. So there's 4 on this side and 4 on the other side that connect it to the Jeep. And then up here you actually put screws in to the windshield, which the one I just painted has all those. I think there's 7 or 8 of these that go in. I installed the back window. Looks great. We're gonna be painting the blue windshield that I got for the Jeep. I just bought some gloss white paint. It's probably not going to match very well, but I'm going to get the Jeep painted eventually. I'm not really worried about it. It's a Jeep. It's not supposed to look perfect. We're going to scratch it up with scratch pad and tape everything off and then put a coat of primer on it. Now we're gonna hit it with some mineral spirits. I'm gonna paint the back first. This has the most coverage, so I'm gonna paint the back first. Once I mineral spirit it, clean it all up, and then I'll tape it, and then I'll prime it. Just finished spraying the I just finished spraying the primer on the window. It looks okay. Still have to paint the other side. I'm just gonna do it one side at a time because I don't really have anything to hang it from, which is kind of a pain in the ass, but finished painting the window. It turned out pretty good. We'll have to see if it's not going to match up to the Jeep. I don't think. It looks a little like too white, but that's okay. It's better than the one that's on there. I wasn't expecting it to match perfectly anyway. So I actually ended up painting both sides. What I did was put a piece of probably a 4x6 underneath on top of my sawhorses, so it gave me clearance so I could actually flip the panel, holding it by the window itself. So it worked out pretty nice. That way I could do the whole thing at one time. So I used just some regular automotive primering, which I've been using for the rest of my Miata project. And I got this from, I picked this up from Home Depot, I think. Just a gloss white, says automotive enameling. And then I used the same stuff but clear coat. And I used like the whole can. I probably should put more on, but I don't really have enough money now, so we're just going to stick with the one that we have. But I did use 2 cans of primer, 2 cans of gloss paint, and then 1 can of clear. And I think they're like $3.98 each at my local store. So that's not terrible. It's like 20 bucks. After we primed it, Tyler came out here and wet sanded the primer for me, and then I retaped the windows back up, cleaned it up with some mineral spirits again to make sure no dirt got on it, sprayed both sides. I think I did three coats of base, and then I did 2 or 3 coats of clear on each side as well. I think it turned out pretty good. It says to wait a week before polishing and everything, so hopefully by next weekend I can have Tyler polish it up and make it look a little bit nicer and feel a little nicer, and then I can put it on the Jeep. Hopefully everything on the Jeep comes off. It's probably been on there since '89. So, but yeah, I'll keep you updated. I'll let you know. Well, I'll be posting a video about how to install it. Hopefully next week, because I really want to get it done. I'm going to be working on the Miata this weekend to finally have a day to work on it. I've been crazy busy with my company, and it's just been hectic, so I haven't had time to work on it, so I apologize that things are going really slow. Thanks for watching. Later, guys.